I'm Bob Scott, Executive Editor of the Progressive Accountant magazine, and I'm here today on the floor of the Illinois Midwest Accounting and Financial Showcase at Rosemont, Illinois in the Stevens Convention Center, and the show is sponsored by the Illinois CPA Society. I'm here today with Michelle Dulong, who is Marketing Manager for Personable, which is an Intuit Gold Certified developer. Now, Personable is known as the developer of SourceLink, which is the #1 document management solution for QuickBooks, right, Michelle?
Yes, that's correct.
But we're here today to talk about ScanWriter, which is a new product, and I wondered if you could give a brief description for the audience of what ScanWriter is.
Sure. ScanWriter automates the write-up process for you, so you can take bank statements, credit card statements, any type of document you receive from your clients, scan them in, and it'll automatically enter the transactions for you directly into QuickBooks.
Now, what are the components of ScanWriter? I presume there's both software and hardware involved.
Absolutely. You can, we offer a software that you purchase, and then also you can use the scanner you have, but of course we do have a bundled option where we provide the scanner for you.
Are there any particular details on the type of scanner they need if they want to use this product?
You can use any scanner with a Twain driver. Of course, we want you to scan in a higher resolution, so about 300 dpi. So if you don't have a very high-speed scanner, that's where we can bundle ours in as well.
Now, when you talk about that it helps automate the process, what kind of documents does it scan, and what does it do with the information, what does it do with the image that it creates after the scanning is completed?
Sure. We can scan in bank statements, credit card statements, invoices from vendors, receipts. It can, for example, for the bank statements, it'll take all the information and enter it as a check or a deposit, and it'll enter the vendor name, the date, the account coding, and you can choose 30 different QuickBooks transaction types, such as journal entries, sales receipts, and so on.
So, I'm sure it's fairly obvious to most of our listeners, but could you outline what some of the benefits? I've seen so many of them are familiar with scanning with OCR, but what does it actually do? How does it help them in their practice?
Data entry can be very tedious and time-consuming. So we can, for example, scan in a bank statement, which can have anywhere from 160 transactions, and it takes about 30 seconds to enter them into QuickBooks using ScanWriter versus entering each transaction in one by one. So there's a 90 to 95% time savings using the ScanWriter product.
So I would gather that you really can speed up your practice instead of having to sit there and punch in all those numbers. And if you punch in numbers, of course, you lose a lot of accuracy. So you're gaining speed, you're gaining accuracy, and basically making the whole process just much more efficient. Yes,
we're streamlining the whole process, and you don't have to worry about managing and training new employees, and it automatically enters in everything for you.
Now, is this product on the market as they're getting ready to ship? Can they run out and buy it now?
They can absolutely buy it now. You can buy the software directly from Personable Inc., or you can also buy the software plus the scanner from us directly. It is available.
Mm-hmm. Could you say how much the pricing is for those two varieties of packaging?
If you like the software with the scanner, it's $14.95, and without the scanner, if you want to just buy the software, it's $12.95.
Great, and I would like to thank you for that information. Again, we're talking about the new product from Personable, which, as we said, makes SourceLink a document management product for QuickBooks, but today we've been talking about its new scanning product, ScanWriter. Again, I've been talking to Michelle Dulong, who is Marketing Manager for ScanWriter from Personable, which is an Intuit Gold Certified developer. And again, we've been speaking from the floor of the Midwest Accounting and Financial Showcase, sponsored by the Illinois CPA Society. And I'd like to invite you to both visit Personable and visit its software, www.personable.com.
Correct.
And again, I would like to invite you to visit our publication, The Progressive Accountant, at www.progressiveaccountant.com. And my name is Bob Scott, and thank you for your attention, and thank you for visiting us.